Hi, good morning. Kumusta ang life? Well, ang inyong friend, I'm here for sneak peek. What is that? um, been a long time that I've not recorded a personal video for you yeah, to view. Uh, yeah, I was really busy with actually with family because my parents are growing old and they've been a little kind of sick. Yeah. I mean, why did I say a little kind of sick? Because they've always been sick, right? But lately they have hospitalizations. My mom for this year had, I think, already one, two, four. Yeah. And last year she had two, I think. Yeah. Um, and then the last one is now. Okay, it's actually her second month in the hospital. She was discharged after a month and a half, and after a week, she came back to be admitted. So no, it's like she lives in the hospital for 2 months. And naturally, I look like this. I know, of course, what I mean is, if I put makeup on myself, well, it could augment my beauty, but it doesn't speak well of how I think and how my mind works. Yeah. So do I really have to echo that? It's not necessarily. Makeup is meant to improve our looks and feel us feel make us feel pleasant as possible, right? But anyway, I was kind of sick also for the past 3 days, I think, or 3 or 4 days. Yeah, I think for it started in Saturday or Sunday, even Sunday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Today is Friday. This is the sixth day that I've been sick. For the first 2 to 3 days, I had fever and body malaise. Well, obviously, it's because of um too much work, yeah, and not really too much work. It's about like I exerted more effort. I think I had like a long travel from where I came from the last health center that I came from. That I had duty, so and I had less sleep the day before I went out from the center, and then I only had 1 day before I resumed duty here at my old center. So, anyways, like it's a flu thing, right? Like that. Anyways, sometimes I like to speak in front of my friends here in YouTube, but I just didn't have the nerve, and I was like, less motivated because I had emotional issues. Yeah, for this year, it started actually in 2022, I think. Yeah, late of 2022, and the whole of 2023, and now it's a whole and a half. What is that? 1.5, 150% now from last year. My stress is 150% more. Okay, but this is life. This is my slice of spice about life. So I need to well I need to fight and I need to carry on because there's actually no choice. Yeah. Um, the patient, they're not dying. Yeah. I mean, my family, they're not dying. They're also fighting. And because they're also fighting, I need to fight also. And my battle is about financial support, of course. I am the primary benefactor. And also, when you're a doctor, um, you're not emotional at all. You're not psychologically disturbed with any kind of patient. But when it comes to your own kin, yeah, your own family, your own blood, anything that happens to them, kind of like disrupts your world. It disturbs my every sense and makes me go nuts. Yeah. Well, as I said, everyone has experiences of happiness, sadness, struggles, shares of failures, and the negative part of this is actually what is normal with life. Um, what is normal is problems. Yeah, happiness is also normal, but sometimes happiness is brought about by a conscious effort, right? While problems are easily just, especially when you're careless, problems ensue like that. So this negative thing is, more of a force in our lives than the positive things. But the positive things are actually coming from a good source. Like if you're God fearing, then you know that God oozes with a positive aura, and He's always it's like it transcends to us. It's just you know um, in a smooth way, in a normal way, in a spontaneous way, especially if we try to embody the presence of God in our beings, right? But human as we are, like me, sometimes I forget that, a capable human being, director of life, an architect of good, is the one who's directing my life. And he causes things to occur. And if it's a negative one, he will try to find a way on how to resolve it. He causes a lot of negative things to do, to happen also, but this is his way of telling that certain things has to pass, are the stages of our lives, and that normal things have to occur, uh, like birth, like yeah, arrival of a new life, like presence of success in material endeavors, as well as death. Yeah. For the last months, I think for this year, I've seen a lot of obituaries posted in Facebook. These people are close to me. These are my relatives. These are my friends. Yeah. And, it brought a lot of tears to me. Because those, Shreya, my camera fell. Sorry. Um, these people were special to me, and they did a lot of things for me. Okay, so but realizing that life is not a constant. We are mortals, you and me. Yeah. So, as a situation is said to pass, our lives are also said to pass. Okay. Anyway, but I've realized that if I invested my thoughts and my hopes with a more secure thing, which is an immortal thing, an immortal being. So I guess I win at that. And this is about God, I think. This is not prophesizing about God here. I know not all people want to discuss topics about God, but for my friends who believe in God, I mean, I think you agree, right? Because I'm speaking about the challenges of my life and challenges that I face alone. And sometimes I find myself in a situation or in situations where friends are lost. Even supportive friends disappear and have no trust in me at all. Why? Maybe they got disappointed at how I handle life, and so they're not really happy to associate with me anymore. And also, some friends are not there anymore. Why? Because they're too they they are too wary to wait on me, and maybe they have their own life's problems to cater to my whims. Some of them are very very supportive and very real, that they stay by my side. They're willing to help me. They understand me. I think somebody's calling my phone. Anyway, well, uh, as I've said, I I came here not just to rant. This is a rant, right? About life. It's not really a rant. It's also sharing my thoughts about it, and I hope if you could give me a your thoughts, you share your thoughts. I mean, it could also help me, and yeah, could help me run my life smoothly. And we're not at all knowing, right? Uh, we may know a lot of things, but not all. Yeah. So a nice suggestion from one of our friends or one of our acquaintances helps a lot. I believe this, and I want ideas from just anyone. Okay, so sometimes I just feel like speaking English because I believe that I have international friends here in my channel. Yeah, so I try to speak in English so everyone could understand and anyone could share their thoughts in any language. But also, I would like to speak in my native Filipino and as well as my mother tongue, which is called Hiligaynon and Kinaraya. So I could relate to a lot of people. And yeah, they could speak from the heart towards me, and that would be easier. Okay. Have a patience. I'll come back to you later.